how do I launch PPC for a brand new product on Amazon? This is a really important question. How would you launch PPC for a brand new product? I'm telling you what I would have not done 6 years ago and what I'm doing now. I would take an exact match, 5 keywords, 10 keywords, depending on your budget. Run ads for them, bid the highest as possible. If Amazon is telling you the suggested bid is $2, bid $10, and see where do you show up, and see how much relevance do you get, and see how quickly do you show up, and see if people are interested after they clicked on the product. So once that you're gathering that, now you will know, okay, these are keywords that are highly relevant to my product. If I'm going to do an exact match approach, how much money would I have to pay? And then based on that, you will see, okay, so actually it took me more than I expected. In that case, I would maybe pause a few keywords where the conversion is the lowest, and then continue with the next keywords, next campaigns where conversion is higher or CPC is lower, and it makes more sense. So many people are just overcomplicated when it comes down to launch. Don't do too many things when it comes down to launch, because what I'm seeing so far is most of the time people, more of the things that you're doing, more your focus goes into it, more your attention goes into it, and then you're going to get overwhelmed because you don't have the one lever that's going to help you double down on the strategy that works for you. Start with the exact match campaigns, gather data. If the exact match campaigns are not gathering you the data that you're looking for, you can also start with auto campaigns, and then you can also start with discovery campaigns with highly relevant keywords for their product. The exact match should be the first thing that you're doing.